In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Maschine MK3 Lightroom control system, step by step. Here's what you need: Lightroom Classic, your Maschine MK3, Native Instruments Controller Editor, MIDI2LR, and the files from this pack, Lite or Pro. Inside the download, you get three key things: the controller editor mapping file, the MIDI2LR XML mapping, and a visual PDF guide that walks you through the setup and workflow. Before we start, make sure you have Native Instruments Controller Editor installed. Go to Native Instruments and download Controller Editor, then install it like a normal app. After installation, reboot your computer. This helps your machine be detected correctly. Once it's installed, connect your Maschine MK3 via USB and launch Controller Editor to confirm it sees the device. Then, load the mapping file included in the pack. That uploads the pages, knobs, and pad layout to your machine. Next, you need MIDI2LR, the free bridge that connects your MIDI controller to Lightroom Classic. Download MIDI2LR from its official GitHub, install it, and launch it once to make sure it opens correctly. Next step, open MIDI2LR. Load the included XML mapping file. Once the mapping is loaded and the input is set, MIDI2LR is ready. Important: launch order matters. I prefer to start Controller Editor first and then launch Lightroom Classic. If you open Lightroom and MIDI2LR is not running, you may get no response. In that case, just close Lightroom and reopen it. Now go to Lightroom's Develop module and do a quick test. Turn an encoder. You should see the sliders move instantly. If it responds, you're fully set up. Start with Lite for free and feel the system in your hands. If it clicks, upgrade to Pro to unlock the complete develop workflow, all pages, all controls, with ongoing maintenance updates and compatibility fixes. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the flow.